Hello there, my name is Zig the Plague Knight.
Shadow here.
Welcome back to ICARUS, everyone. As you can see, we changed our armor a bit.
Yes. Also, we may have done a little bit
Yes.
of
We
updates
upgraded the house, finally! I still have to make the roof stone. Fuck!
You forgot about it. I was waiting.
I may have forgotten about the...
We can do it where we're going to explore the desert.
What if a flash storm hits?
They're gonna hit. Don't jinx it.
Can you bring me up one of the stones? From one of the storage boxes down there?
Hang on a second.
Preferably maybe the 61 that's probably down there? Oh, by the way, I may have already completed 2 Grand Prix.
Nice.
And I may have been a level 4 rival.
Have fun with level 10. Here you go. Ready?
Yep. I meant one of the small snacks, not one of the hundreds.
It helps. There's another 100 behind you, by the way.
And I just needed, like, 60.
You extra.
Oh, you want to carry the campfire this side, or shall I?
You do it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need stone and sticks. Do we have sticks?
Yeah. I'm carrying 100.
Give me 1 sec. I gotta make some sticks for me. Just realized I'm out of sticks. Ah, I'm gonna have to. Oh no, the ladder. Ah, shit! Okay, go. Do the variants, do that.
Alright.
Okay, a few things may have dropped. Oh no. Fucking course I got rid of it.
Was that the water?
Water's all gone.
If it rains again, we can get more.
We had like, one had like 18 liters of water, the other one had 14.
It's alright, we'll get more.
Okay, I need to now put shit away. Yeah, but viewers, since the last time we were spending so much time grabbing resources.
Oh, look, a tree.
No, we're not starting with the trees again.
I may have cut down all the trees here to make our house
God.
actually easier to see.
Yeah, that he did do.
Let's go to the cave.
Real quick, I'm gonna go grab some water from the cave.
I'll start our expedition.
Oh shit! Where's the worm?
You want to go?
Not quite ready to go because I still need to make one a campfire for us. Okay, now I'm ready to go. So, yeah. So here's today we're going to continue exploring the desert. I made us oxygen bladders. Not water bags. Water pouches. And also cloth armor, which has a higher heat resistance. I see you're attacking. Do you want me to make you a spear?
No.
Because it does more damage than the axe.
Fine, I'm good.
Wait, does it actually do more damage than the axe? Yeah, even like the basic wood spear does more damage than the axe.
I like using hatchets.
Yep, except we can't repair them right now. Unless we go back to base. Because they require an anvil and an iron ingot. And all that shit's back at base.
Imagine we find actual, like, alien life on this planet.
Well, so far, the only closest thing to alien... We need to bring this with us.
He's an offset real quickly.
Hey. And I see a second deposit by us as well. I'm waiting for my stamina to recharge. You're just grabbing all the random shit.
I grabbed yeast.
We can't currently use yeast!
I'm grabbing it. Oh, look, more oxide.
I just hear the bang, bang, bang.
What was that?
Bang.
What was that song that was like that said bang, bang, bang?
I only know one song that has bang, bang, bang.
Oh, look, more wolves.
Allow me. Oh shit! It's a herd!
Oh,
It's a pack!
two, three.
There's a fourth.
The bear. Zig, 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 zig,
I'm
zig, zig, zig,
busy!
zig.
Be gone, bear! Wolf, back up. Ooh, it's angry.
Toro. Hi. Hey. This worked.
I got it.
Just.
Hey, if we... No.
What the hell? Zig, incoming.
Is it angry or...
Oh, where is it? But you said no. What's up?
Because I heard a moose. Which I think I heard a moose. Okay, right
That's a
now,
0.
yeah, right now we're not hunting. We just came to explore. By the way, be on the lookout for salt deposits,
Understood.
so I can make us because one of the things the oxide is used for, other than giving us O2, is making health potions.
Okay, so I went alongside the outskirts of the desert. I
Yeah.
didn't go into the desert.
Yeah,
'Cause I didn't think
I
it was a
say we
good
just go
idea.
straight.
Oh my god, that's a lot of fucking alpines. Hello.
Pardon us. Hi, zebra. You just kept running past the oxide.
Oh, I did. Oh, I found silver. Or no, is this a silica? Silica.
Oh, you found silica?
Do we need? Yeah. Do we need
Nope.
silica?
There's more oxide.
Yeah. So if you see giant things standing up in the fucking desert, that more likely be
Well, I
the
leveled up
scorpion
again.
tail. Nice.
And I'm immediately putting this into inventory weight capacity because I just went a little over. You know what would be helpful if I made?
Mm.
A bone shield.
I think we're good.
Oh, another thing on oxide.
I can't do more anymore because if I do more, I'm gonna be over encumbered.
Okay, what can I drop? Well, first off, Wolf, come to me. Cause preferably it might be a smart choice.
What, backpack?
No. Shields. Because that way I can use some of the bones.
No, I have it. Where do I put it?
G. Did it automatically get put into your hotbar all the way on the far right? Yeah, there you go. Ah, crap.
Am I blocking?
No, I'm over encumbered.
Is there a way to put it in the backpack or no?
The shield?
No, like the stones, we don't be over encumbered.
New. But we need to have this oxide on us. That's why I'm looking at what I can destroy to lessen the weight a bit. Yeah, I found some. I think the bear might have given us some T-bone meat.
Okay.
What?
That's fair. At the same time, I see if we see more oxide, we don't grab it because I think we have enough right
Yeah,
now.
I like have multiple stacks. No, I probably don't need like another. Okay. For fuck's sake! Okay, I'll just try one on the bone. Hey, you have any of that food on you?
Yeah, I have a little bit. What's up?
Me hungry. Me hungry.
I'm so far away.
Why did you go? Why did you start moving away?
I thought you were following.
No! I'm over encumbered! I'm reducing shit in my inventory! Oh, please don't tell me that's a salt deposit that I'm looking at. Or is that just a rock? Okay, it's just a rock. It's a stone deposit.
If you come to me, I'd give you it.
I actually need some of this fiber so I can actually cook some of the meat I have. Ooga shaka, ooga, ooga, ooga sh. Why is that song starting to play in my head?
Oh no.
Okay, that's enough. So let's connect. Pick up. Okay, I'm on the way. I can move. I see you.
I think I see you. Yeah, I see you. I see a tiny little man running.
I'm out of stamina. Fuck. I think the biggest fucking issue for us is gonna be finding water.
Well, actually, no, it isn't. Caves. Caves is what we need to look for.
Yeah, except sometimes caves are sealed up, so we won't initially spot them. By the way, have you noticed that our heat bar is not going into the max this time?
Yeah.
It's because of the cloth armor. Told you. Told you it was a good call.
Do you need food?
No, I cooked me a T-bone. I had T-bone for lunch. It needed seasoning.
So, fair enough. But so I went all the way around the right side. I
Right
went
side,
all the way
so
around.
we'll go keep
Go straight.
straight or left. One of the two.
God, I wish we had a speeder.
I can make you a spear.
A speeder. The speeder in the manner. Because there's a thing you can
Here,
make a speeder.
actually, just in case, it might be good to actually have you actually have an actual melee weapon. A lot instead of a hatchet.
Ooga shaka, ooga shaka. No, you know what we look like? We look like those those are
No,
from the Clone Wars.
not the Clone Wars. I know exactly which ones though. Fremen from Dune. We look like Fremen.
Is that the one with? It was like a snow planet.
No, that's a desert planet.
No, I'm talking about the snow one where
Oh, the
they were trying to make diplomatic relations with that
yeah,
one tribe.
I remember that. I must say, the clones in that episode were just fucking bawling.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I brought a sledgehammer with me for when we find the obsidian.
The problem is we're going a different way from where the obsidian is, so we're going somewhere different.
Yeah, well, who knows? We might find obsidian on this way.
Well, I did look up. I think the desert does lead into the magma zone as well, by the way.
Okay.
I'm keeping an eye out, dude, just for the scorpion. I don't know.
Imagine if all of a sudden I turn around and then I get freaking stabbed in the back.
It's like puppy playtime all over again for you, remember?
Oh dear God.
I wonder if they're like tremors and then like they can hear us like running.
Well, seeing as there's animals. Are those cactus?
Don't know. That's a geyser.
Yeah, that's for exotics.
You're going faster than me. Why are you faster than me?
I increased my movement speed.
Look how far you were from me.
Palm trees?
Trees? Is that a tree?
Are those sheep?
Is that a sheep?
What the fuck are you? You're not earth creatures. Oh, they're angry.
Get on the rocks! Get on the rocks! Get on the rocks! Nick, get up here. Get on the rock. You can't get on the rock. Where are you going?
Rock.
Okay, I meant these rocks. Okay. What are these?
Got one.
That's a little scorpion. Wait, there's a little scorpion just sitting right here.
Ow. Uh-oh. Ah.
Hey, Zig.
I may have fallen off rock.
Zig, we got a baby scorpion.
I've fallen off the rock, you...
I know. I'm
Skull.
looking at him. I know. I'm dealing with him.
I'm downed! That's what I'm trying to say!
Oh! Oh, you're dead. You're spotting.
Right side of the rock. Careful, careful! Left. You're left. You should see me.
Your T-pose?
Well, there's only low in health. So.
Drop something. I don't know what this is.
Well, my axe. Well, my health is low, so great.
You need any food?
If food is not my issue, my health is low. There's no way I can regain health.
No,
Quickly.
food helps it.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't rain. It heals me.
If we can find a salt deposit, I can actually make something. Hold on. There's something to our left. A chasm. Yeah, there's this narrow valley down here. That heads further. What the fuck is this? Salt!
The salt? What is it?
It's salt!
You
Let me
make a
mine it.
thing. That's sulfur.
Yeah, that we don't need. This, however, first I actually do need to drink some water. Crafting. How many can I make? I can make 21. I can make 21 potions.
Why is it so quiet?
I have no clue.
The salt?
No, oxide. To make the potions, it uses oxide.
To go. Oh.
I need to eat again. So. I'll make another T-bone. Wait for one more to get cooked, and then I'll eat that one. How's your food water looking?
Good.
Okay. So that's back the way that we came. So this way. Do I have enough to make another torch?
I have 2 torches just in case, by the way.
Yeah, I made me an extra.
Do you have an extra for you?
Yeah, I'm using you as a light source right now. Wait! I'm an idiot!
You fucking dumbass. Jesus.
The power of the sun! Yeah, we really
weird. Are those the weird creatures?
We avoid those. Those things are angry. Those things get angry very, very quickly.
We thought they were sheep.
Yeah, I thought they were sheep.
Why does it look like a big open arena?
Okay, right. Is that an elephant?
Is that an elephant?
Me want to kill.
Don't, there's 2 of them. There's 3 of them, never mind. Is he friendly?
Yeah, he doesn't give a shit.
Hi.
Okay, apparently elephants are in the desert.
I'm staying by the wall because if the wall have a cave, then we can get more shit from the cave.
Yeah. Well, again, it's hard to tell what's a cave and not a cave. What?
Wait a minute. What's that sound?
Those are geysers. Hold on.
Is that,
Is that oil?
is that oil? Wait, that's oil!
Okay, carefully approach. Yeah, it's oil! It's 3 oil wells.
Okay, well, we got oil.
We're rich! Especially in this economy.
Wait, that means we can make vehicles with oil.
Zebra? Wait, what do I need? Ah, that's right, it's down there. I was thinking of that. Chamus? Part of us.
So we found elephants, a new type of animal.
That is very angry.
They're very aggressive the moment we fucking go near them. And we found oil.
Yep. I had this up for a second and make myself a torch. I gotta start collecting the little stones around.
Remember, I'm like a beacon. Also, at some point, I'll have to walk away from my setup, by the way, to go get something.
No, for fuck's sake. Ah, ba 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 ba.
Ah, crap.
I got one of them.
The hell? He's got, look at his head!
Yeah! That's a shield! Hit his butt!
He won't stand still.
Oh, finally!
Holy crap. Look at their faces!
Well. Do. What the hell? They get bacon.
They was somewhat of a pig.
Yeah, but these are not earth creatures. Wait for me. Guess I can make some more bone arrows. Great. Okay, we just made it further. If you look at the map, you'll see where Scorpion!
Big scorpion?
Small one. Still someone. Light sand. Victory is ours! Now I get to skin this one. Should I take the tail or pincer?
I'll do the tail, you do pincer.
Okay, do you want to get the stringy beat? Oh, there's no bones?
This way, Zach.
Wait, am I bleeding? Oh fuck, I'm bleeding. I have a wound.
We need to find a cave at some point. Don't go too far, 'cause remember we're in a sandstorm. We can split up.
Well, it's a light sandstorm. Ah, something's flying is up. I was just by us. Is that more salt? Yeah, it is. Can that be sunrise yet? Ah, there's a storm exposure. I was waiting for that. Oh wait, we're on rock.
Question, what is that? Are those the evil fuckers?
Okay, nope. Back the other way.
Why?
It's because there's a massive drop.
What are those? Okay, Zig, behind you, Zig.
Back.
One dead.
And the others are angry.
I need to fix my shit.
Ah. No. Okay, they're all dead.
Remember, don't take too much of it, because we don't want to be over encumbered.
I need their bones to make more arrows when necessary. How long does this sandstorm last for?
We gotta hold out. Just hug the wall, dude. Look for a cave. It's almost done. The storm's almost done. Come on, give us a cave. Storm exposure's going down.
Yeah, it's ending. Okay, you want me to pop a flare?
Yeah.
Flare going up. Are those trees?
Is that an oasis?
Is that a fucking oasis? Hold on.
Did we just...
Yeah, let's check this out real quick.
I'm gonna check and see if there's a cave.
We don't need a cave no more.
What?
It's an oasis. We have water!
We found an oasis.
We found an oasis in the middle of the fucking desert. Did you use any water from your containers at all?
I did.
Okay, then you can fill them up right here. And I say we wait here until daybreak.
Alright. That gives me enough time so I can do something. Wrong button.
Okay.
I actually will be right back because I gotta go do something.
Yeah, so yours. We're just gonna wait here until daybreak, which should be 2 hours of game time. Oh, food does give you health. Well, that's nice to know. Yeah, so we'll be right back. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen.
Turn off your torch. Turn off your torch.
Yeah, and we're back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we managed to find a fucking oasis in the middle of a desert. Of all things.
It wouldn't be a game without an oasis, dude.
True.
And the question is, what's on the other side? Subnautica 2 comes out this week.
It does not come out this week.
Yes, it is. Tomorrow. It comes out tomorrow, dude.
It does not. You're lying
Yes,
to
it
me.
does. I'm not lying to you. No, I'm not.
I smell heresy.
Go look it up. Next time we pause the recorder, just go fucking look at it.
I need to ask you a question later.
Is it important?
Semi-important?
Okay. Just try to remember.
And then that is just fucking barren.
Yes.
Yeah, we have not found a single cave since the beginning area.
We'll find something eventually.
Oh, that's just a deep mining spot for stone.
It looks like to me like those enemies only come out like towards the night.
What, those creatures?
Yeah.
No, they're a daytime creature too. Hey, there's like a little incline up to our right, or do we want to keep heading straight?
If we keep heading straight, we might find a cave. If we go incline up, we might be on top of a giant mountain and we couldn't get down.
True. Straight it is.
Oh yeah, it drops tomorrow.
Yeah. It's like we are on Tatooine.
I wonder if we'll find Luke Skywalker.
You know what would be even funnier if we actually looked up and realized, oh wait, there's two suns.
Gosh. This is more barren. Okay, we got a crossroads, dude. Yeah, scorpion.
Left.
Left. Good.
Hey, look, snowy peaks. Yeah, even with you bunny hopping, I'm still catching up to you.
I see cave.
Fucking finally.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it, but we
It looks
don't...
man-made.
Is that sealed? No, it's not sealed.
It looks... Is that a door?
No, it's a cave.
Worms. Small? Back there, back there. Zig. Come back.
Those are Zogs, by the way.
Do we want
Titanium,
to
iron. There's a lot of iron ore in here!
Let's not mine the iron, let's just get the exotic. Would you agree?
Great.
So that was our first cave.
Hold on. I am over encumbered again.
The desert is almost fully explored, by the way. I say almost because we don't know what's to the left.
Yeah. Well, you explored all the way on the right, so now...
I want to jinx something, but I don't
Do
want
not
to
say
it.
anything.
Look, I
Keep iron.
Can I find another oasis?
Is this a fucking another one?
We got crossroads again. Do we want to go left or right?
I say we investigate the palm trees first.
I feel like if we went right, no, right. If we
Wait,
go left,
hold on.
it would.
Why does the right also look like it might lead into a snow area?
Oh no.
No, this is not an oasis.
Are we gonna go right then?
Nah, left. We keep left. Well, that's a
What is
ravine.
it?
That is an interesting cave.
That's a cave. I feel like this is a boss.
Well, there's iron at the door. Oh, more forms. Oh shit, bees! Hey look, more exotics.
I can get that. Is this obsidian? That's coal.
Yeah. Actually, I probably should take some of it for the campfire. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 sec.
Alright. There's another. Oh my god, there's more palm trees over here. I don't know if we found another oasis.
Or did we just find more wood? Because wood is scarce in this area. You gotta remember that.
Checking.
Wait for me!
It's just wood. I want to see where it goes before I go backwards.
Where does this go?
I'm checking.
I got Scorched Traveler. I wonder if our base is alright.
Don't say that.
Like, seriously, where the fuck? This almost looks like the beginning of our area.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not crazy, right? Plentiful
Crazy?
resources.
That's crazy once.
I don't start that again.
Fuck is this going? This is interesting.
did say
It leads into the mountains.
Yeah, I did say wait for me.
But it's not the snowy. It's not the snowy mountains, dude.
I just realized I had my torch on this entire time.
That makes two of us. No, like... Is this another forest? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is this another forest? This doesn't make sense. Does it?
Yeah, it's another forest. But the narrow area.
Let's check it out, I guess.
Oh, wolf. I'll be right back. What the fuck am I hearing?
Bear! He tried killing you! The bear saw you when you went AFK. I'm like, God dang it. What level is this?
I gave you a spear!
My spear broke. I'm trying to repair it. I've been trying to help you with this fucker. Oh bad.
Well, problem. I got stuck in a tree.
Damn it. Oh, you're kidding me!
Oh no! Oh no!
Right in the worst spot.
He kept spawning me in the tree!
Oh, how far away? We lost all our shit. We can't get it.
No, we can. We're just gonna have to make a beeline.
Give me a second, someone messaged me.
Fucking hell.
The bear. It's the bear. The bear.
It two-shot me.
No, it hit you a bunch, by the way.
No, it two-shot me. I was at 280, Wolf. He brought me down to 70 health from 280.
Okay, this is gonna be this is gonna just be...
So, it sounds like folks, that's all the time we have for today, and we'll be taking a break from ICARUS because...
We got a lot of stuff to do so we don't die again.
Yeah,
by a
I
bear.
gotta remake all of our shit again. And gather resources. So, we'll see you next time, and next time you see us, we'll be doing something completely different. So, adios.
See ya.